impact that could be larger than his limited scope. It could be across the current geography, across geographies. So we have training programs that actually enable them to network globally because they can get different thoughts. Not only do they network, they work collaboratively on projects with teams that could be from different nationalities. And all of this becomes a part of the training program. So that is something that I think helps driving leadership. And the other is thinking differently. We all have our own preferential styles. So you have a style, I have a style. But if we need to do sustainable value addition, you need not change your thinking style or your preferred thinking style, but you definitely need to be able to pick cues that when you ask me a question, I assess what adds value to you based on your thinking style, and I'm able to position my value proposition based on your preference. And that is a way of creating value and therefore definitive advantage. So that's the other thing that SKF does. So we're actually running a program right now on this. And the global training programs is something that we have across levels at SKF for different kinds of leaders, but each of them having projects that are worked out. They could be in India, across countries, deep diving on a particular challenge that could be going beyond a particular factory and so on and so on. So I think those are things that have really helped because you network, you work across boundaries, you work on projects beyond your limited scope. It really stretches you.
Fantastic. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank this fantastic panel, really some fantastic insights about genuinely leadership in India. I think all of you demonstrated that, how some of the leaders have helped you in that process and how you are helping others. Also, a big thanks to all of you here. I think very informed audience, some fantastic comments and some very good questions. We wanted to keep it fun. When we started, we amongst ourselves talked about that we don't want to make it pedantic. We wanted it to be fun. So hope you all enjoyed. I would like to sum up by saying a few things. Number one, something that was said here: reward success, tolerance to fail, and punish non-trial. That is one of the ways of creating leaders. Both depending on the pitch. So leadership needs to change depending on what the pitch is all about, what the environment is all about. Your welfare is my responsibility. Of course, that assumes that there is continuous performance. So that. And finally, sir, lead from the front. Not only for defense, but offense against the competitor and for the customer. Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasure being here.
Thanks to all the panelists for sharing your experiences and giving us such a lively and exciting session here. May I now invite Mr. Kamal Singh, Director General of National HRD Network, to please deliver the formal vote of thanks.
Thank you, Professor Manasik. Ladies and gentlemen, I am not really coming between you and the cocktail and dinners waiting outside. But what I am going to really do to reserve my concluding remarks for another occasion. But surely, if you permit me, I would like to thank each one of our panelists and all of you for making what this great session was. Can I have your permission for 3 minutes? Thank you. Our distinguished change masters, Dr. H. Chaturvedi, Professor K.K. Sinha, Ms. Anjali Bais, Mr. Ajay Soni, Mr. Gajendra Chandar, Mr. Chetan Tolia, Mr. Bobby Kuriakos, Ms. Manasi, Mr. Abhinav, Ms. Ria, Mr. Tupe, and of course my all distinguished participants. I think you will all agree with me that, of course, Vinod Chaturvedi, he is one of the distinguished panelists. Sorry for being not able to take a name. You will all agree with me that we had a very powerful and engaging roundtable under the aegis of BIMTech, Anacharyan, Evan Hewitt, and NDB Profit this evening. How do we really define this experience? To me, it was overwhelming. We never thought that we'll get such an overwhelming response as we have been planning in the beginning. Inspiring, motivating, engaging, and connecting with all of you. To make this happen, it is my proud privilege to propose a vote of thanks just to acknowledge each and every one for making it what it was. First of all, we are indeed grateful to our distinguished speakers, led by Mr. Ajay, Anjali, Bobby, Chetan, Gajendra, Vinod, to really making it what it was. And all of them really made us more wiser on the leadership, the India way. We could not have a better treat than the cocktail and dinner waiting outside. We all really enjoyed. In fact, Dr. Chaturvedi was really asking me how this audience is so engaging because we have done roundtable many where I think compliments to all of you. May I request, ladies and gentlemen, to join me in acknowledging our sincere appreciation to all our speaker, panelists, Ajay ji, by giving a big round of applause, please. They really made us so much proud, and I think I can only assure from both BIMTech and Anacharyan side, we are going to come to Pune again and again. Thank you very much. Secondly, our sincere gratitude to all of you for joining us in large numbers this evening. Your overwhelming response really bear testimony not only to the relevance of the theme in today's fast-changing business landscape, but also to the value proposition that all of our distinguished speakers provided to all of you. Thank you indeed. Please do join me in appreciating your overall response here this evening by again big round of applause. We are all grateful to our partners who are instrumental in shaping up this evening deliberations. To begin with BIMTech, the prime mover, one of the top business schools in the country, who really conceived the design and stitched it together, especially Professor K.K. Sinha, Professor Manasi, Abhinav, inspired by Dr. Chaturvedi. To Anacharyan, Evan Hewitt, and NDB Profit, to present this initiative in Pune. And I must share with you, Anjali is our Pune chapter president, and she was in a way, after my taking over Anacharyan role, said we would like to be the best chapter. And believe me, this year, the Pune chapter was the best chapter and we saw the response. I think Mr. Dubey ably joined that Pune can do wonders as we go along in the years. But surely, your support has been phenomenal. And our relationship with BIMTech, by the way, goes many years. And this business school has really established and proven itself, and today features among the top business schools in not only in India but globally. So it is to that extent to all the partners, even Hewitt, the way they have put it together, the NDB Profit, you will see this program telecast in 2 episodes. We will share the details with you once that is finalized. But I think a big hand is on order for all of them by big round of applause. Finally, I think if I have to say, Anacharyan is yours, BIMTech is yours. Do join us as member. You will be happy to know, last year we had committed that we will come to Pune, so we are here. And I'm also happy to share with you our next event of under the auspices of Pune chapter is going to be on 29th. It is National Business Leadership Quiz in Suryadatta campus. And please do come. There are opportunities to compete as a team. There are opportunities as audience. And there are enough gift hampers to be won. So please do join. And you will see many teams competing from here to represent Pune chapter to the grand finale on 8th of February. Incidentally, you'll be happy to know already 200 teams from all over India have registered. I think for you there is something, and please do join us. I think that's the request. And rest for visit NHRDN website www.nhrDN.org. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you, BIMTech, for giving us the trust to be part of this entire engaging sessions. Thank you.
As token of our gratitude, may I now request Dr. H. Chaturvedi, Director BIMTech, and Professor K.K. Sinha, the Grand Master behind this series of events, to please join me on stage. We have a few mementos for our panelists. Ms. Anjali Bais. Thank you. Mr. Bobby Kuriakozin. Mr. Chetan Tolia. Mr. Gajendra Chandel. Mr. Vinod Chaturvedi. And thank you, Mr. Ajay Soni, for leading this panel today. And thanks, Nidhi, for helping us out with that. Ladies and gentlemen, this brings us to the end of this conclave, and I'm sure each one of you has found this program to be an insightful experience. We look forward to your continuous feedback and engagement with the organizers. One group photograph of all the panelists along with the organizers. Abhinav, can we have you on stage as well?